Good day, students. Students, today we will study the chapter Formation of Company. Formation of company, already you have studied that in the forms of business organization, that there are different forms of business organization, and one of them is the company form of organization. So you students, business today takes place with a large amount of money, and with the increasing competition in the business, use of technical machineries, and also we need for production we need large amount of money. For all such purposes, there is a company form of organization is the best form of business organization from the different business types of organization. Company form of organization, and you all know that the companies are divided into two categories, that is the private company and the public company. Private company, you know that started the different stages in the formation of company are promotion, incorporation, and subscription of capital. Private company needs to follow the two stages like promotion and incorporation, but the public company can also has to perform the third stage, that is the subscription of capital. So for the growing competition in the business world, the company form of organization is the best form of organization. So in the company form of organization, the companies are divided into two categories, the private company and the public company. So before starting the company, or before starting any of the public company, the first idea came in mind is that we have to follow the different stages. A person has to go through with the different stages of the formation of company. जब भी हम कोई कंपनी फॉर्म ऑफ कंपनी स्टार्ट करने की बात सोचते हैं, तो हमें कंपनी स्टार्ट करने से पहले कुछ फॉर्मेलिटीज़ का कुछ स्टेप्स को फॉलो करना पड़ता है. कुछ स्टेप्स के अकॉर्डिंग ही हम कंपनी को स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. सो व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कंपनी? स्टेप्स formation of company. Number one is promotion. Second, incorporation. And the third is subscription of capital. These are the three stages in the formation of company. जब भी हमें कोई कंपनी स्टार्ट करनी तो हमें ये तीन स्टेजेस फॉलो करनी पड़ती है. पहली स्टेज है प्रमोशन. That is, it is the idea came in our mind that to start the company, so that idea will come into existence only from the promotion of the company. Second is incorporation, and the third stage is subscription of capital. These two stages the private company has to follow. प्राइवेट कंपनी को ये दोनों स्टेजेस को फॉलो करना पड़ता है, बट द थर्ड स्टेज इज फॉलोड बाय द पब्लिक कंपनी. Public company has to follow these three stages, that is the promotion of the company, then incorporation, and the subscription of capital. Now, first of all, I need to explain you about what is promotion and what is the promotion of company. So, promotion, you know that when the idea of starting the company came into mind, so this idea will come into existence by the promoter. That is, promoter is the person who will do the promotion of the company. That is, he will collect the man, material, and resources to form the company. That means the idea of business will give into existence by the promoter. That is, promoter is the person. Promoter is neither an agent of the company, neither a trustee of the company. Promoter is a person who appoints for giving the remuneration, and he will do all the formalities for starting of the company. That is for the promotion of the company. प्रमोशन जो है वो दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेज इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कंपनी. किसी भी कंपनी को शुरू करने से पहले हमें जो सबसे पहली स्टेज स्टार्ट करनी पड़ती है वो है प्रमोशन. प्रमोशन की स्टेज जो है, दैट प्रमोशन, द वर्क ऑफ प्रमोशन ऑफ कंपनी इज डन बाय द प्रमोटर. प्रमोशन के लिए हमें एक प्रमोटर को अपॉइंट करना पड़ता है. दैट प्रमोटर इज द पर्सन who is doing all such formalities, all such activities for starting the business. बिजनेस को शुरू करने के लिए जितनी भी फॉर्मेलिटीज करनी होती है, जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज करनी होती है, दैट वाज डन बाय द प्रमोटर. दैट इज, प्रमोटर मींस the promoter gives the idea of starting the business into existence. That is, he conceived the idea of starting the company, and then he will check the prospects of the company, and then he will give this idea into the final shape. That is, when he will collect all the man, material, and resources to bring together, and then he will start the company. तो अगर हमें बिजनेस में कंपनी स्टार्ट करने का सोचा है तो सबसे पहले हमें उसे प्रमोशन करना पड़ेगा, एंड प्रमोटर के लिए वी नीड टू अपॉइंट द प्रमोटर। प्रमोटर जो है वो सारी चीजें जितनी भी फॉर्मेलिटीज हैं, right from the starting of the company till from the incorporation of the company and get the registration of the company, everything will be done by the promoter। प्रमोटर जो है ये सारी चीजें जो है कंपनी को स्टार्ट करने के लिए जितनी भी स्टेजेस होती है, ही विल फॉलो द ऑल द स्टेजेस। प्रमोटर जो है वो पर्सन इज अपॉइंटेड एज फॉर रेम्यूनरेशन। पर्सन जो है जिसको हम सैलरी बेस पे या रेम्यूनरेशन के अकॉर्डिंग हम इसको अपॉइंट करते हैं। एंड ऑल्सो the promoter may be the owner of the business, like he is from the shareholder or he is a that board of directors also. Promoter is the person who will give advices directly or indirectly to the board of directors, etc. And also promoter is the person who, according to their guidelines, according to their suggestion or advices, the board of directors is going to act. So जितनी भी फॉर्मेलिटीज हैं इस बिजनेस को स्टार्ट करने की, दैट इज डन बाय द प्रमोटर ऑफ द कंपनी। सो प्रमोशन इज द इम्पोर्टेंट एंड द फर्स्ट स्टेज ऑफ स्टार्टिंग अ बिजनेस।